we doing? I hope you're doing well. Hi, it's Saturday, yes, and I'm uploading a new video today. Wow, that is a lot. I uploaded yesterday, uploading today. As you could see, as you saw from a title, I am reviewing a foundation that I have never ever tried I didn't try anything from their any beauty range or anything. So let's get into it and start talking about it. So it's Sisheido Synchro Skin Self Refreshing Foundation. It's in the package still. I haven't used it. I haven't even looked at it, to be honest. I got it from Cult Beauty. Wanted to try it for quite some time. What did it say? It say a Sisheido first in foundation that refreshes non-stop, active force technology, synchronizes with skin and resists heat, humidity and motion for a fresh natural finish that lasts all day 24-hour wear. I'm not gonna try that. Flawless, weightless comfort, medium buildable coverage. Like the sound about that. Right, ooh, I like the packaging. It looks like that. Looks very chic. Is the glass, yes. It says oil-free SPF 30. Right, so shake well before use, twist cap to unlock and lock pump, wipe dispenser after use. Oh, it's already a little bit something's there. Okay, so see, it's locked, so I'm trying to go and twist. Oh, so twist. Okay, I can do it. All right. Okay, I like the packaging. What I want to do now is I want to see the reviews about this foundation. So I use my iPad. Let's see, it has 31 5-star reviews on Cult Beauty, and it says, does not like it at all. Oh, 2 stars. It's not self-refreshing for sure. I have combo skin, more on the dry side. It stays like 3 hours on my face. Also, it emphasizes all dry patches on the face. It is too expensive for what it is. Very disappointed. My first high-end foundation, probably the last one. Ooh, that's a review. Okay, but the next one is best foundation ever. I look like I wasn't wearing any makeup, and it really lasts a really long time in the place I stay, which is very humid and hot, and the color is really friendly to anyone, including me. Okay. Smooth and seamless. Another 5-star review. I love the formula. Doesn't feel like I have anything on my face, and the finished look is absolutely beautiful. Okay. Another 5-star review. Pure perfection. This foundation is just heaven. I have dry combo skin, and this foundation gives me from within glow on last all day. Highly recommended. Okay, is there any more bad reviews? Oh, there's another one. 3 stars. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but it makes my skin super dry and gets creased at smile lines. Sorry, I don't have any contact lens, so I cannot see properly. Oh, another one. 2 stars. I really do not like the texture of the product. It makes me uncomfortable. It is quite sticky and heavy. I cannot use it. Also, a problem is that shade range seems off, as 120 is too light, literally white as a paper. What's my shade? My shade is 150 lace. Okay. What else? Okay. There's loads of, okay, so 4 stars, pretty good, but not fabulous. All right. Okay, what else? 1 star, nope. So I got this to try test out because of all those good reviews. I honestly have to say I was not impressed with the quality of this foundation for my oily skin. The shade 130 was definitely not the shade for me. I tried different ways to apply it, but the result was the same no matter what I did. I honestly don't know how this foundation has so many positive reviews when it is the worst foundation I have ever tried. My pores look huge. The foundation itself settled into every line and pore, accentuating the even more. My skin felt so weird and dry with this foundation, even with all the moisturizer and primer, and I have oily skin. Okay then. What? So, there's a mixed reviews on that. I'm not sure how I feel about it. But you know what? We're gonna try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, so I have my blender and I have this. Is it open now? Okay, so let's try to pump it out. Okay, well, it's quite wet, is that's how it looks like. Oh, it's very runny, this hair. Okay, let's try it. Ooh, it's very runny, I have to say. Okay, it's very, very pale shade. Okay. Right, okay. It's very pale. I don't know why. Um, by the way, this retails for £39, so it's quite up there in the price. It's a little bit sheer for my liking, so I have quite a few spots, and it's quite sheer. Let's try to build it up. So this is 3 pumps for my face already, so I use now another 2. Let's see how this is built up. Smells nice though. Smells really, really nice. It blends okay, I have to admit. It blends okay. Okay, let's try a concealer. It doesn't look too bad. Not sure. It says oil free, but I do look quite oily. Am I? I'm not really sure about this foundation now. Okay, let's put some good old powder then. Okay, absorbs powder quite nice. I don't know. Actually, don't know. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but I'm not really sure. It does look kind of flawless though. I can't say anything. It does look okay. Do you know what? I'm gonna go finish my makeup, put some bronzer and put some highlighter, and I'll come back in a second and tell you my last thoughts. So I've done my makeup. I finished my makeup, done the simplest makeup ever. My final thoughts on this foundation. It looks good. Tell me different. It does look good. I have to say, it's not looking as bad as I thought it could be. Am I wowed? No, I'm not wowed at all. Am I impressed, like, to the point that, like, oh my god, this is gonna change my life? No. I'm gonna definitely keep trying because I think we need to try it more. Close up, it doesn't look too bad. I have to say it. Maybe some bits, like, it didn't go into the lines though. That was a false accusation. It didn't like collect into the lines at all. Like, no, I don't see that. Okay. For £39, is it worth it? No. Honestly, I wouldn't buy it just to buy. Probably, maybe I will change my mind, you guys. I can. I'd rather buy something from drugstore, like Stay 24 Hours foundation from Maybelline. I'm not sure. I need to try a little bit more, but at the first impression, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look like horrible. It actually looks not bad at all. But my cheaper foundations can do that, to be honest. And it looks a little bit better. So what I recommend you to buy, if you want to, it's not bad. It's like, I would give like 3.5 stars for this. Because of the price range. The price, does the justice? No. If it would be at the drugstore and with this quality, yeah, I would recommend. But £39, I'm still gonna use it. It's a nice packaging, but packaging, it doesn't mean that's gonna be a good product, isn't it? A little bit too light it was for me when I put it on, but now it actually oxidized. So it does actually kind of match my skin. Does it feel alright? It feels okay. Honestly, it feels okay, and I put it 2 layers on it. Buildable, yes. Self-refreshing, have no idea. I have to wear it for a longer time. So, am I recommending this? If you want to try it and you can afford it, yes, sure, of course you can try it. If you are more a budget girl, don't bother. I'm still gonna use it. It's not a bad foundation, but and it's not that wow, you know, like my skin looks absolutely flawless with like literally blurred effect. No, it doesn't look like that. It does cover your pimples and stuff like that. You can cover up, you know. It does look a little bit dry on the chin, to be honest. But yeah, I have to try it more to say if I like it or not. But in the first impression, it's okay. It's actually okay. That's all I can say. I was excited about it and I just kind of feel disappointed right now, but never mind. That's what I do. I want to review things and see how it goes. And I hate when I have hopes and high expectations for stuff and they don't wow me that much. And it's hard to wow me. Right. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you're going to enjoy it. I've done a little bit different now. I've done reviews from other people, so I think I'm gonna carry on with that if I'm reviewing something. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you're having a lovely weekend. And I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. If you try this, comment down below if you like it or not, if you try the foundation. And yes, so let's grow our family. We're 200 subscribers already. Great, I like it. The more the merrier. And I'll see you next time. Bye.